What's going on, everyone? It's Adam here for the Best Buy Canada blog, taking a look at the Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max headset from Turtle Beach. This is one specifically for Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S, but with compatibility for Nintendo Switch, PlayStation, PC, and more. This thing has so much compatibility right here in the box, so don't let that Xbox stuff fool you. In another review that you can check out right now on the Best Buy Canada blog, you can see my thoughts on the Gen 2 Max Gen 2 USB Stealth 600 headset. Here we're looking at the slightly upgraded Level 7 headset. Now, the difference between the 600 and the 700, it begins with the packaging. The packaging here is just a little bit more premium than you might expect from a headset. The way the box opens sideways like this and actually displays your headset very, very nicely. It's nestled in here beautifully. We'll remove that. And it's also got all the documentation, a charge cord, and of course a USB dongle. All great things. The design on the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 is again a bit different than the 600. You're going to get a little bit of pleather for the ear cups instead of a cushion fabric. Same on that top of the headrest here. This is more of a pleather feel than a fabric feel. This actually feels much better on the head. It's a more premium headset, and it does feel a lot better. But if you are a fan of Turtle Beach headsets and you've used one relatively recently, a lot of the other features in the headset are actually going to be fairly straightforward and things that you remember. It's got the flip down microphone, all right? So down is on, up is off. It has a little click sound. I think you can hear that. Has that little click sound, so you know when it's active, you know when it's not. That's on the left ear cup. If you roll around to the back of the ear cup, and we'll have a little closer up here in a second, it's got the scroll wheel for volume. It's got a scroll wheel for mic monitoring. It has got the mode button, so like the Stealth 600, this one comes with various modes: superhuman hearing, something that pumps up the bass a little bit, something that gives you a little bit more treble. Different modes, so you can pick what you want, and the headset will tell you when you click the button, hey, you're listening to this mode, or you're on superhuman hearing mode, or things like that. It's also got a power button right there, a charge cable port right here, USB-C, fast charge for these headsets, and a Bluetooth button. Now, the Bluetooth button is what sets this headset, aside from some design differences, of course, but that's what sets this headset apart from, say, this headset right here. The Stealth 600, no Bluetooth. These ones here, they come with Bluetooth, and it really works. I've used Bluetooth on a bunch of different devices, and I love it. The need to not have to have a USB plugged into one of your precious USB ports on some of your consoles is really great. The Bluetooth feature makes this worth it alone. Now, audio-wise, it's got 50mm drivers, same as the Stealth 600. And in terms of audio quality, mic quality, it's very, very comparable. So you might ask, well, why is there a price increase? A couple main reasons. One, it's a better build quality. The bar here is a metal bar. That's metal, that's not plastic. A little bit more durable there. Again, ear cups are plush. I would say this feels a lot better than the fabric. The fabric is fine, but this is much more comfortable. The headset itself actually sits a little wider, so if you've got a wide head, when you factor in these ear cups, it's actually a bit more comfortable to wear for someone with a big head. I have a big head. These are actually much more comfortable to wear. In terms of battery life, technically this has a little bit worse of a battery than the Stealth 600 Gen 2 Max. However, we're only talking 5 to 8 hours difference. And again, this one here has the Bluetooth and has everything else. So you're looking at about 40, 43 hours with this one. On the Gen 2 Max 600, you're looking at, 48 hours on average for a charge. However, this one again, the Bluetooth. I can't say enough about it. That is why you are paying more money for this device. The premium build and things like that, of course, that's going to raise the cost a lot. It's the Bluetooth that's really bringing this one up and elevating it as a headset. The question becomes, do you need all of those features in a headset? I would say it depends on how you game. If you simply want to play your games on your systems, maybe even just on a specific system, maybe just Xbox or just PlayStation, I wouldn't worry so much about purchasing this one unless you really want a premium feel. The difference in quality of the headset itself and the ear cups and how it fits on your head, that to me doesn't justify jumping up from $600 to $700. However, if you're using a variety of consoles, you are gaming daily, you want to have Bluetooth to sync this up to a mobile phone or something like that, this is very worth it. Excellent audio quality in all these headsets, but excellent audio quality, excellent mic quality. It's Turtle Beach making a great headset once again. And premium price, it fits the market at that price compared to other headsets I've used that cost this much money. Thank you so much for watching this review, guys. You can check out my written review on the Best Buy Canada blog. You can also find a review for the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2 USB and Gen 2 Max, as well as videos of this product that you're watching, and a video for that product as well. But until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.